What's up, icons? It's the iconic fashion figure back with a new video. So some of you that have been on my channel for a while now may recognize where I am and what's about to happen, considering you may have seen the first video I did of doing a photo shoot raiding your house. Now part 2 was supposed to be an on-location shoot where I take you guys with me to an unseen photo shoot with the model, photographer, makeup, all of that, which was supposed to happen back in February. Things didn't quite work out as planned, so I have to redo that entire photo shoot. And now with Corona, it's not gonna happen right now. I have to wait it out. But I'm not gonna let Corona stop me from doing photo shoots. I'm just gonna do a photo shoot from home again, quarantine style. So let me go ahead and show you guys my setup, because it's not just the basic photo shoot like I did before. I have, props and everything to kind of give it a theme, give it more of a on-location feel, even though I'm still right at home. And then I'll go get ready because I look a mess right now. Okay, so I already kind of started a bit and I set up like my floor scene, because the video I'm going to be doing today is for my swimwear, so I wanted to give it more of like a beachy feel. I already put down the tan part, which is supposed to be like the sand. Those are actually curtains that I had, and I just laid them out on the floor. If you have something tanned, if you're going with the beach theme too, just throw that down. And then I have a blue sheet here to kind of give it like the water look, so it has the sand in the water. And then I'm just going to quickly go in and add all the props that I have. To briefly go over the props really quick to explain everything I have here and where I got it from. So like I mentioned before, I have those curtains that I already had at home that I put down as the sand, and then a blue sheet that looks like it's supposed to be the water. I have 4 beach balls, which I got from Dollar Tree. This is it there. So $1 each for the beach balls. I got this from Dollar Tree as well. They had so many of these summer cups, it was hard to choose one, but I just went ahead and went with the pineapple because the next scene, this would work well for that too. I got the beach bag from Dollar Tree too, which I already had beach bags at home. I could have just used one I already have, but this one was actually really cute, so I just went ahead and got it anyway. And I just stuffed it with 2 towels so that it can stand up, and put some shades on it for the aesthetic. And then I just put down a beach towel that I already had at home. So let me go get ready so we can start shooting. So I'm just about ready to shoot. Dressed up, probably throw on my hat, do some without hat, shades, switch it up a bit, but I'm ready to go. Okay, so really quick, I created this little box thing. Well, actually I just cut up a box that I'm about to tape up, put my phone down, and have it taking pictures overhead. I don't know if I'm going to do this outfit or if I want to change, but I want to get some overhead shots. Okay, so I'm going to be changing the scene up a little bit. This one was supposed to be more of a luau, but I didn't get all the pieces I need, and then what I did get wasn't what I thought. So let me just show you guys what I do have. So this setup took longer to put together, so I didn't change the floor part. I originally was supposed to do it green so it looked like grass, but I don't feel like searching for the green fabric. I'm just going to leave it as is. I can Photoshop it if I need to. And then I put up these paper lanterns that I got from Dollar Tree. There's 3 colors, which I'll show you because right now you can't see it while I'm recording, but they are hanging up there. That's why it took so long. I had to hang all of those. And these come with 2 in each pack, a bigger one and a smaller one. I have 3 colors, so there's a light pink, a dark pink, and a blue. Then there was these streamers that I thought will come multiple where I can hang them, but it only came with 1, so that's why I was saying this setup is kind of all messed up. But let me show you what it looks like. So there's the streamer there. I literally just threw it in the middle, and then the lanterns are hanging up there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like a stand-up shoot with those items. So that's pretty much it for this video. It's been a few hours now shooting by myself. This is not as easy as I thought it would be, not like my traditional photo shoots, just because this whole setup is just new to me, and trying to find the right pose, the right angles with all of this stuff around me is not as easy as I thought it would be. Plus the setup in between is a lot. Probably taken like 300 pictures already. I don't even know if I got good ones. I've been looking in between, but I don't know. We're gonna see. And then plus there's some footage that I didn't get to record for you guys that I will just throw up some other pictures so you can see. But I'm gonna go ahead and edit these pictures and at least get them looking decent. But that's pretty much it. I may do another photo shoot, new theme, but thank you guys for watching.